How do I pair my Roku remote without any buttons?
Welcome everyone! Today, we're going to talk about a topic that can seem a bit tricky at first, but we'll break it down and make it easy. We're talking about how to pair your Roku remote without any buttons. It's a little challenging, but don't worry, we've got you covered.
Understanding Roku and its remote.
Firstly, let's understand that Roku remotes are usually paired with Roku devices right out of the box. But sometimes, things go awry and you need to pair it manually. However, it can get tricky if your remote doesn't have any visible buttons. That's often because the pairing button is hidden in a small hole at the back of the remote, and it's usually located near the battery compartment.
Locating the pairing button.
Now, the pairing button on your Roku remote is not always in plain sight. For most Roku remotes, especially those without any visible buttons, the pairing button is usually located in a small hole at the back of the remote, close to the battery compartment. You may need to use a pin or a small tool to press this button.
Pairing the Roku remote.
Now that we've located the pairing button, let's get down to business. Here's how to pair your Roku remote. 1. Ensure your Roku device is turned on and connected to your TV. 2. Open the battery compartment of your Roku remote. 3. Press and hold the pairing button for about 3 seconds or until you see the pairing light start to flash on the remote. 4. If successful, the Roku device will start pairing with the remote. This can take a few moments.
What to do if pairing doesn't work?
Sometimes, despite your best efforts, the remote may not pair successfully. Here's what you can do. 1. Try resetting your Roku device. This can be done through the settings on your TV screen. 2. Change the batteries of your remote. Sometimes, low battery power might prevent successful pairing. 3. If all else fails, you might need to get a replacement remote or use the Roku mobile app as a temporary solution. And there you have it, folks. Now you know how to pair your Roku remote even if it doesn't have any visible buttons. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember, troubleshooting is a part of the process, so don't worry if it takes a few tries. Happy streaming!